Hi guys, welcome to Neutral.x360. Again, like I said, this is where you master the market and this is where we unlock your potential on the chart. So today we'll be talking about indicators. Yes, but I'm not here to really preach about indicators because for my videos, I keep telling you guys indicators don't really matter. Yes, I do use it, so don't get me wrong. I do use it, but when I was coming up, I used bunch of indicators. I mean, bunch of indicators, learn a lot of indicators until one day the thing struck me. Like I felt it in my soul where I saw they are maintaining indicators. Like guys, are you getting that? If they are maintaining indicators, that means they can manipulate the indicator signal. Okay. So when I saw this, when I got my first encounter with it, I was like, wow, they do maintain all these indicators you see, like EMA, MACD, RSI, they do maintain those indicators. So once you see them maintain those indicators, what to give your mind is like, wow, so this is really fucked. Okay, this is really fucked. You can't just, once you know they do use multiple, they do maintain indicators, then you can be using multiple indicators because now you want to get extra confirmation on the chart. All right, let me show you. We have thousands of indicators here. Okay, when I mean thousands, I mean we have thousands. You can see this. Okay, we have thousands of indicators. I mean thousands, different type, different volume and everything. But the simple ones I use, let me search them. I think I have it on the chart already. I use the EMA. Okay, this is what I use. I use the 21 EMA, right? This just measure the 21 moving average. Okay, but I don't use indicators anymore again. The only time I use indicator is when I don't understand the price action. Okay, I just want to use indicators to confirm the direction of my trend. That's all I use it for. So that's why I said don't quote me wrong saying I don't use indicator. I do use indicators once I don't get the price action I'm looking for clearly. But currently, I think for like a month or 4 months, no, a month or two now. Let me know. Yeah, a month or two now because I've not been using really indicator. I just put it on my chart. So a month or two, I've been leaving my chart clean. Like I mean clean, following real price action. And since I've been following real price action, I've been seeing things clearly. So I've seen that mistake before, and I don't want anybody to go through that same mistake. Okay, using indicators, and indicators do one thing: reduce your confidence on the chart. On the chart, you want to build confidence, right? So indicators reduce your confidence on the chart. Look at it. This is why I use the 21 moving average. You can see price was above 21 moving average, telling us we are going to the downside. Price never really broke the 21 moving average, you see. So the moment price broke the 21 moving average, it comes up, broke with actual body, then came back to retest it, then went back up. You can see all prices now above the 21 moving average. All right, this was a trade we were talking about on our live section. So I'll be looking to reanalyze my charts for that. So on this purpose of indicator, you see guys, why indicator really matters is that once you start following real price action, you see indicators, you start seeing indicators like trash. Because you see this thing now. Let me show you one thing here. See now, you see the indicators. Indicators hit those zones. Once you see indicator like price pull away from the indicator, you just know that price will come back again to that indicators. Then this is what indicator does. Now it's clean because we have already played the price. So if they want to arrange it for you, they can arrange it clean for you. But future price movement would tell what the indicators are really doing. You can see this now. We are below this indicator telling us, okay, we might go to the downside. But for price action, we are not ready to go to the downside yet. Are you guys seeing this? So this is where the swing start from. We say swing high, swing low, swing high. Where so here will still be our swing low. So this zone, anything price want to play inside this zone is for price. That's not for you. All right. So I hope this video is making more sense for you guys to really understand the concept of what I mean indicators don't really matter. Yes, they do matter if you are looking into will I say a longer range. Okay, let's go to a weekly time frame. If you are looking for a longer range, and indicators really, for me, indicators, even scalpers don't really use indicators, except maybe they use bunch of them. Sometimes some of them use indicators, but guys, I'm giving you this raw gist. Okay, I'm giving you raw. Start deleting a lot of indicators from your charts. The charts need to be clean and noise free. Okay, start deleting indicators from the charts. Okay, let me on my indicators on this weekly time frame. You can see on the weekly time frame is showing us a very smooth price movement. You guys can see this. It's showing us a very smooth price movement, but for on the 1 hour just now, it was showing us price was in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. But you see this, it just went down straight without going in and out. Okay, it just went down. This is how it was, guys. Indicators don't really matter. I don't really use this anymore. Okay, so what I use is simple price action. What is price action? We keep hearing price action or structure, market structure. It's simple. It's just your up and down, right? It's just this, guys. This is what they call price action. Okay, so this is what they call price action. You guys can see this. Price was here, comes down, we broke structure, right? You guys can see this. Then price came down, comes to that structure level, retest it, then broke down again. You guys can see this. Price broke structure, comes up again, comes down again. This is how simple market structure is. Okay, so I hope you found this video very helpful. You found this video very, and remember, don't quote me wrong. You can still use indicators, but if you want to build confidence on yourself, because the chart is to build confidence on yourself, not on the chart, because the chart is emotionless. It doesn't care about you. So you need to also have that mentality about the chart, like don't care about the chart. Okay, so your job is to build, you want to build your confidence, but your job is to build the confidence yourself. So the only way you can do that is if you start removing the noise from the chart, just following simple price action. I hope you found this video very helpful. You found this video interesting. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And yes, I'm doing this very easy. Okay, I'm telling you guys the real game. The real game is very, very cheap. To build confidence, remove the noise. The more you make the game look easier and simpler, the more it becomes easier for you. Not you marking so many zones. Okay, just make it easy. Directional bias analysis, then that's it. Then one time for your entry, take your entry, then that's it, guys. I hope you found this video very helpful. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and see you soon on the next video. Peace.